Anlele and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am so happy to show you how to do lemon blueberry cake. And viewers, before we continue, please hit the subscribe button and click the notification bell so that you are notified every time I upload a new video. Welcome. And viewers, these are our ingredients. We have our flour, 300 grams, a packet of blueberry. Mine are frozen, but also room temperature, they can also do very well. We have our sugar, 250 grams, our 5 eggs, a teaspoon of lemon essence, plus I grated 1 grated lemon, and our margarine, 250 grams, plus a teaspoon of baking powder. So I'll mix the baking powder straight away there, and I'll mix it well. We'll start by creaming method. We put our sugar and our margarine. Mix it until it becomes fluffy. Then now we proceed with the rest of the ingredients. We lower the speed, then we start putting our eggs, our grated lemon, plus our lemon essence together. Then we start putting our flour. Little by little. Our mix is ready for baking. Now our mix is ready. Our lemon blueberry mix is ready to be baked at 200 degrees Celsius for until it is ready, or 30 minutes. Now viewers, we are making our blueberry filling, and we already have our frozen blueberry, 250 grams. Put them inside. Then we have our sugar, 50 grams. We'll mix it until the sugar melts. Then I'm going to add just a little bit. This is cornstarch, which is 15 grams. I'm going to add a little bit of water, cold water. It mixes. So then I put it inside my mix. The reason of cornstarch is to make it a little bit thick. Our blueberry filling is ready. We are decorating the lemon blueberry cake. this is the end of our product, lemon blueberry cake. For the viewers who are asking for the recipe, now you have it. This is our lemon blueberry cake. Very nice, very beautiful. Please try it and let me know in the comment section. And also subscribe to my YouTube channel, and also click the notification bell so that you are notified every time I upload a new video. And until next time, bye.